Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I made an impromptu plan and I am going to Cologne. I just randomly decided and booked the tickets and I'm going to take it along with me. Let's go. Now I'm quickly going to have my breakfast, and for my breakfast I'm having toast. I'm going to put some cheese and eat this. I'm having orange juice and I'm going to have watermelon. So guys, I'm ready and I am wearing this top with this long skirt. So guys, I have reached Cologne and my first stop over here is the Cologne Cathedral. It took many years to build this cathedral and it's famous for its Gothic architecture. So I'm going to go in and see. So guys, my next stop is Hohenzollern Bridge, um, and this bridge crosses the river Rhine, and people put locks over here on this bridge, as you can see. Nice. I have reached the fish market, and this is a place where there are lots and lots of restaurants and some colorful buildings. It's already lunchtime over here and I've come to a restaurant and I'm going to eat a pizza. Food is here. So guys, I'm done with my lunch and now I'm going to the perfume museum in Cologne and I'm very excited. This is the perfume which was originally created, and this is how it looks, and they haven't even changed the labeling, the packaging of the bottle, which is so interesting. So guys, I'm done with the perfume museum and it was amazing. I really enjoyed it. The tour guide, the guide himself acts like Johannes, Farina, and he will explain you everything, and then he will give you some samples and he will ask you what do you think, which fragrance is this, and then afterwards he will ask and then again he will give you two samples and then he will ask you like which fragrance do you like better, and then he will tell you which fragrance they actually used at that time. So it was nice, like it was informative as well as interactive, so it is quite enjoyable. And if y'all are visiting Cologne, I would really recommend y'all to visit perfume museum. So guys, now I've come to the chocolate museum and I'm still thinking if I should go in or not. Let's see. Guys, I decided to come in and there were lots of people for the museum, so rather I decided to sit in the cafe which they have over here, and I have ordered a pastry and an iced tea. The view of this cafe is really nice. This pastry is so beautiful, I don't even feel like eating it. And this is the iced tea. So guys, now I'm just walking around the city. So guys, now I'm in Starbucks and I am ending my day over here. All in all, it was a really fun day. I enjoyed everything. If you all are visiting Cologne, I would recommend you all to visit the cathedral, the bridge, and of course the perfume museum. Usually I don't like museums, but perfume museum was not boring. Also, I forgot to tell you all that I also bought some perfume. So guys, I'm ending the vlog over here. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.